An apron should do one thing really well: keep things clean. It should protect your clothes from spills and accidental messes, but also protect your food from bacteria. Why bacteria? The CDC estimates that bacteria causes 38.4 million cases of foodborne illness in the United States alone. That's 1 in 6 people a year. Infrequently washed aprons contribute to that problem since they can quickly become a breeding ground for bacteria, resulting in cross-contamination throughout the kitchen. We wanted to do something to fix this problem and make kitchens safer, without letting up the laundry every night. That's why we've created Spyce, the first ever self-cleaning apron that helps to prevent foodborne illness and make our kitchen safer while keeping your clothes spotless. Spyce combines advanced technology and detailed craftsmanship to create a unique apron that goes beyond what you thought possible. Embedded in every thread are thousands of minerals that actively kill bacteria to keep your food cleaner and safer. The same fabric also makes the aprons water repellent, protecting your clothes from any spills, drips, or splashes. All this while keeping Spyce extremely light, breathable, and soft. We've undergone rigorous testing to ensure that Spyce actually does what it's supposed to. But beyond these features, we've designed Spyce to be both comfortable and efficient. We removed those uncomfortable neck adjusters and replaced it with our unique, easy-adjust leather strap that simply loops the body of the apron, locking at a desired height. There's also a conveniently placed foam pocket on the side, so it's always in reach, but never in the way. Finally, all our aprons are made by hand in Los Angeles, where we place an emphasis on detailed construction and design. We've spent the last year in development and are finally ready for production. We've identified our manufacturers, sourced our components, and completed our test runs. This is where we need your help. By pre-ordering Spyce, you'll help us fulfill our orders and bring this product to life. As a backer, you'll receive deep discounts and special custom gift packages. Together, we can make kitchens cleaner and spice things up.